Indian economic updates. India's balance of payments may see a $52 billion surplus this fiscal year, driven by $25 billion in foreign institutional investor inflows, boosted by local debt's inclusion in a JP Morgan index. FIIs have contributed $3.5 billion, with an expected additional $18 billion from bond inflows. The current account deficit is projected at $36 billion with $455 billion in exports and $708 billion in imports. Fiscal consolidation, easing inflation, and debt inflows are expected to lower 10-year government bond yields to around 6.80%. Enhanced foreign investment will deepen the bond market and improve liquidity. India's goods exports rose 2.6% year-on-year in June, marking the third consecutive monthly increase, albeit slower than May's revised 13%. The trade deficit narrowed to $20.98 billion from a 7-month high, driven primarily by reduced oil imports. Merchandise imports grew 4.9% to $56.18 billion. For Q1 of 2024-25, total exports surpassed $200 billion. Key export drivers included engineering goods, electronics, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals, while petroleum product shipments declined 18.3% despite higher global prices. India aims to boost electronics exports to Russia and resolve non-trade barriers to achieve $100 billion annual trade by 2030, highlighted by ongoing UK-India FTA negotiations following recent political changes. The Reserve Bank of India has instructed banks to grant borrowers a minimum of 3 weeks to respond before labelling their accounts as fraudulent. This directive, issued in response to a Supreme Court ruling, mandates that banks adhere to principles of natural justice by providing defaulters with a right to be heard. The revised guidelines extend to regional rural banks, rural cooperative banks, and housing finance companies. Banks must issue detailed show-cause notices outlining fraudulent transactions and establish procedures for reviewing responses before making fraud determinations. Additionally, banks are required to maintain a board-approved fraud risk management policy, formulating special committees to investigate and mitigate fraud incidents. The International Monetary Fund raised India's FY25 growth projection to 7% from 6.8%, citing better private consumption, especially in rural areas. The World Economic Outlook update noted India's 8.2% growth in FY24 and the Reserve Bank of India's GDP forecast revision to 7.2%. Fitch Ratings also upped India's FY25 growth to 7.2%. The global growth forecast is steady at 3.2% for 2024 and 3.3% for 2025. China's growth is revised up to 5% in 2024 but expected to slow. The IMF highlighted managing currency risks and the need for multilateral cooperation to tackle global challenges.